Dear learners, today in the course CS8691 Artificial Intelligence, we are going to play something with text analytics. It's also the part of our natural language processing. So here I am going to show you a simple program that will kindle more ideas to work with the projects. So what I am going to do, I am going to find out the synonyms and the antonyms of the given words. I am not going to store any database and bring it over here. It's enough to download a package from internet, from the Python resource, and we could able to work it very easily. So to work with natural language processing, especially for text analytics, we have a package in open source NLTK, Natural Language Toolkit. We have to import it. See that procedure, how to import it. The same type of prompt we have to type. Right? Normally this Python you could able to see in the terminal, but here within that code window again you have to type this space import NLTK, press enter, and again in the next line you have to download this package WordNet. Okay, so you have to import the natural language toolkit and you have to download the WordNet library for this. It could be a package that will give us the complete set of dictionary data available and preloaded. Okay, so these two steps are mandatory. So after doing this, a simple program. So what I am going to do, see that from nltk.corpus import WordNet. So I am using that package and library in my program, created two empty lists. So for that what I am going to do, I am passing synchronization sets. This is the argument. For this only I am going to compute the or find out the meaning for this. Okay, by computing, by tracing and by identifying the meanings in the WordNet library, it is going to be appended in the subsequent arrays. As well as for storing the synonyms, I have created a list, and for storing the antonyms I have created the list. So the list will be populated with the synonyms and antonyms. Finally I am going to print that set here. So the term passed here is active. Okay, so you could able to see the output here. Already I have executed this program. The output here, this is the synonym for active. See that what all the terms they are given: alive, combat ready, dynamic, active agent, fighting, active voice, participating. Right, again active itself will come here. Right, see that antonyms: quiet, dormant, extinct, passive voice, stative, passive, and inactive. These are all the antonyms. So first line is full of synonyms, second line is full of antonyms. Again we'll check with some other word. See that I am going to check with the word danger. What is the synonym? Risk, peril, danger, again safety. Right, still if you want to check with your own words, please change only the word that you want to find out the synonym and the antonym, substitute here, run the program, and you could be able to see. The primary thing in Colab, what you have to do before running this program, mandatorily you have to install these two things before running your program. It is not like pip installation. Portable Python installation is not necessary here. You have to use the prompt type installation. Right, after doing this only you could able to use this program. Right, practice it and upload it in the GitHub. As an application area, try to use these type of things for your regional languages. Try to find out, do we have any library for regional languages? If it does not exist, please build it. Right, but ultimately Google have built up more number of words. You can find out some corpus for this. Some words corpus will be available for your own regional language. Through that you construct a corpus. That corpus must be downloaded into the library. You can give the name. Here they have given WordNet. So like this, create your own package and use that package. For that you could able to find it out. So my suggestion is try to go for creating a dictionary and find out the meaning from that. So the process of creating dictionary will be available in the internet respective for the packages. Already researchers have ported more number of corpuses. Try to use that corpus and execute this program for your regional language. That's very important. That will lead to many number of applications for preserving our ancestral entities and some other culture based management. Happy learning.